Hello, nice to meet you again. So today I will show you two kinds of kicking for tomorrow's episode. And I'm in my small store, so my framing and printing store. So this store is supporting my family, my food, my housing, everything. So it's important for me. And all the forms, for example, the dragon for tomorrow, I will just show you in the city park in more bigger place. So here I repeat again, I will just show you some specific techniques. So this nice technique is two kinds of kicking. One is heel friction kicking, another is middle tiptoe kicking. Okay, so on my leg, one leg front, one leg back. So I will use my back leg, kick ahead, attack the enemies, this part. I don't know how to call in English this part. So I will kick this part. So I will kick directly. So with my heel and my tiptoe, rotate this way. You see, I kick slowly. I just move my weight to the front leg. So front leg will support my body. And I will pull my back leg ahead, and then it will move like this, touch the ground, have a little bit of friction, and lift. So now right front, left back. So same thing, use my heel. Slowly. In the future, there is another heel kicking, not friction, but bend your knee and kick like this. And this kind of kicking usually attack this part, the knee. So I bend, I kick. I bend, I kick. But this is not for tomorrow's movements. So tomorrow, the important is friction kicking. Friction kicking. Friction kicking. Friction kicking. And now, tiptoe kicking. Tiptoe kicking. So this kind of tiptoe kicking is different from those in the most of Chinese Kungfu forms. So in most of Chinese Kungfu forms, the tiptoe kicking is usually bend the leg firstly and then kick ahead, because it is very beautiful. This is not so beautiful, but it's quickly and powerful. And just bend a little bit, so naturally bend and kick ahead. It's more fluid than mechanic. This is more mechanic, but if you bend a little bit, just kick ahead, it's more fluid. You see? It's faster and economy the energy and powerful. You do not need it. But this kind of kicking, in the future maybe we will use also. But for tomorrow's episode, the dragon, we kick directly like this. So I will practice 10 times this way. 10 times friction kick, 10 times tiptoe kicking. Okay? I support on my printer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then tiptoe kicking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are two kinds of kicking I would like to introduce you this night. And then I kick several times. I will finish this episode. Thank you for watching, and please, if you like, subscribe to my channel. It's important for me. Thank you again. So, heel kicking, tiptoe kicking, tiptoe kicking.